Hello, in this video I'll be providing a quick update for the dividends I received in April 2023. If you watch my previous portfolio update, you may know that my portfolio consists of 3 ETFs: Developed World, Emerging Markets, and the S&P 500 VUSA. Before I share the numbers, I found a great website that lets you track your dividends for free. The website shows your dividend yield for all your holdings, as well as the yield on cost and estimated monthly and annual income. There is also a calendar that displays when your expected dividends will be paid, and it can send you a notification. Additionally, the website can estimate your future dividends based on your holdings and includes a graph to show you how much your dividends grow over time. They also offer a paid version with even more features and details. Currently, I'm using the free version, and I'll give you a quick overview of the website, and I also put a link in the description if you want to give it a try. The website is called the Dividend Tracker, and if you use the free version, you can add only one portfolio, which is enough for me for now. On the dashboard, you can see the value of all your portfolios, the dividend yield, yield on cost, the estimated monthly and annual income. Scrolling down, here you have sector diversification, and here you can set monthly and annual goals. Scrolling down, here are all your holdings. I'll explain this on the next page. Now, I'll go on my Vanguard portfolio. My portfolio value is £10,148.60, and I have a profit of 1.84%. My dividend yield is 2.54%, my yield on cost is 2.58%, and my estimated annual income is £170.53. Here are my holdings, the number of shares, the price market, the day change, the profit and the loss, the amount of money I invested in each of them, the market price, the average price for each unit, the dividend yield, the estimated annual income, the yield on cost, and the percentage allocated to each of them. Okay, now let's go to the watch list. Here you can add some stocks that you may be interested in purchasing in the future. I personally keep an eye on VWRL to compare the performance with VEVE, Developed World, that I currently hold. Now let's go to payout calendar. Here is a graph of estimated monthly dividend income. My estimated monthly dividend is £42.63, which is pretty close to what I've got. These are estimated value and are not 100% correct. Here is the dividend calendar. You can see the estimate date for the future dividend payout. Now let's check the previous month, the March. Let's compare what it says here with what I've got. So for the Developed World VEVE, I received £18.63. For the Emerging Markets, I received £2.97. For the S&P 500, I received £17.14. Overall, I received a total of £38.74, which is pretty close to what the website estimated. How about you? How many dividends you've got this month? Let me know in the comment section. Let's scroll down. Dividend payout schedule. Here you can see the date when the dividends are paid, and down is annual dividend income over time. If you want to use this website, I put a link in the description, and check out my portfolio update next.